तो आज हम आए हैं आशा शिवराज जी की किचन में। ये बहुत ही इंस्पिरेशनल और मेरा वन ऑफ माय पर्सनल फेवरेट वीडियोस ऑफ जायका का तड़का है। और आज आप हमें दिखा रहे हैं आशा जी।
हाय हाय एवरीबॉडी।
आज आप हमें कौन सी रेसिपी दिखा रहे हैं?
आलू सूजी रोटी।
आलू सूजी की रोटी वो आपको दिखा रही हैं। और सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट बात है कि ये वीडियो आपके लिए बहुत इंस्पिरेशनल होगा। आशा जी इज विजुअली इम्पेयर्ड, वो देख नहीं सकते हैं और वो आज हमें दिखा रहे हैं चॉपिंग करके। वो कुकिंग करते हैं, शी इज अ वर्किंग मॉम एंड शी इज गोइंग टू टीच अस दिस अमेजिंग रेसिपी, अमेजिंग वीडियो। तो जरूर पूरा देखिएगा। तो स्टार्ट करें आशा जी? बताइए।
स्टार्ट। I'll just cut the tomato. I'll chop the tomato really very small size.
हाँ आशा जी, अमेजिंग चॉपिंग यू आर डूइंग। इतना फाइनली तो मैं भी नहीं कर पाती जितना आप कर रहे हैं। लाइक इट्स अमेजिंग व्हाट यू आर डूइंग राइट नाउ। देखिए कितना फाइनली वो चॉप कर रहे हैं। तो देखिए छोटे छोटे सा। हाउ डिड यू लर्न चॉपिंग आशा जी?
Actually, I have learned all cooking itself after my marriage. It was necessary for me to cook, so I have learned. Initially, it was difficult for me to learn, but after that, it is like now it is like drinking water now. That's that easy.
अमेजिंग। एंड यू कैन सी, देखिए कितने आसानी से वो चॉपिंग कर रही हैं। उन्होंने चॉपिंग ऑलरेडी करके रखे हुए हैं आपके लिए। टमाटर, प्याज, धनिया और आलू है वहाँ पे। अभी बस चॉपिंग हमारी हो जाएगी एंड देन हम आपको रेसिपी दिखाएंगे। सूजी आलू की रोटी हम आपको दिखाएंगे।
सूजी आलू रोटी।
अमेजिंग चॉपिंग, बहुत अच्छे काटे आपने आशा जी। वंडरफुल। आई एम श्योर एवरी वन ऑफ यू विल ऑल्सो अग्री विद दैट।
I'll keep it aside.
Yes, definitely.
Now I'm going to grate the potato. After keeping aside this one, I'm going to grate the potato now.
तो देखिए यहाँ पे हमारे अब टोमेटोज रेडी हो गए हैं। अब हम आलू को ग्रेट करके आपको दिखाएंगे।
आलू now.
तो ये सब आपने सीखा। तो आशा जी, आपको सबसे अच्छा कुकिंग करने में क्या लगता है? कौन सी रेसिपी आपको सबसे अच्छी लगती है कुकिंग कर?
Bisi vele bath, like it is a dish of Karnataka. It is a famous dish of Karnataka. Bisi vele bath and pulao.
पुलाव।
I like these dishes most. And I prepare nicely also.
Yeah, definitely. I have tried Asha ji's puri and sagu, so I can vouch for her. She makes amazing food. Amazing food. That's why I said this is one of the most inspiring video for myself also on Zaika Ka Tadka. Amazing to come here in her kitchen and do this video. It's always a pleasure. जो दिखता है वही बनता है जायका का तड़का में, क्योंकि हम आपके लिए अनएडिटेड वीडियोस लेके आते हैं। कोई रीटेक नहीं, कोई रीशूट नहीं, जैसा है वैसा ही आपके सामने। अगर आपको ये रेसिपी अच्छी लग रही है तो लाइक एंड शेयर ज़रूर करिएगा इस वीडियो को, ताकि और लोगों तक भी ये पहुंच सके। और अगर किसी को ज़रूरत है तो इस वीडियो से इंस्पायर होके दे कैन ऑल्सो बिलीव दैट दे कैन ऑल्सो कुक। तो देखिए यहाँ पे अब हमने आलू ग्रेट कर लिए हैं। हमारे जो 2 आलू हमने यहाँ पे लिए हमने वहाँ ग्रेट कर लिए। एंड आशा जी, हमने कितना प्याज और कैप्सिकम लिया है?
1 capsicum and 2 onions I have taken.
अच्छा, okay.
So finely, you have to finely chop both all the items.
Okay.
Finely chop all the items actually.
तो देखिए अब हमारी वेजिटेबल्स रेडी हो गई हैं।
I will add this aloo in this.
अच्छा, okay. So we are going to prepare the dough.
Yeah. I'm going to prepare the dough now. Just I will grate a little bit of ginger now.
Okay.
I'm grating the ginger.
I'm standing on the right side of yours.
Yeah.
So
I'm grating the ginger.
Wow. आशा जी सीरियसली इतनी स्पीड से मैं भी नहीं कर सकती। मतलब अमेजिंग द वे यू आर डूइंग इट। इतना फास्ट आप कर रहे हैं। वेरी नाइस। So while you're doing it, Asha ji, I had a question for you. Was that कि there are a lot of people, I am sure कि आप जैसे नहीं देख सकते, आप visually impaired हैं. बहुत सारे लोग देख रहे हैं जिनकी फैमिली में भी होंगे कुछ लोग, उनको पता ही नहीं है कि cooking is possible to learn. So आप बताना चाहेंगे like how is it cooking can be done to pass on the message of hope and inspiration?
Sure. Everybody can do cooking. If you take my example, actually in my house, my mom and dad used to idle me so much, like you don't do, you will not know what is there and what is where we have kept everything. They used to not discouraging,
but they were protective. They were protective and caring about you because they wanted to take care of you.
No, I will tell all the parents not to do this, because we are if you make us to know the things where it is kept, and if you do that, we also can do. See, now I am independently doing all the cooking. Anything, if you want anything, dosa also I can prepare.
Yeah, you can prepare puri also. Asani se.
Puri, whatever you want, I will prepare.
Yeah, and that is after marriage when you came here, you said I am going to learn this.
Actually, I learned this after marriage itself. Before that, my parents used to not allow to go to the kitchen itself.
And you would say cooking is easy to learn, and you can, once you get the habit of कि कहाँ पे क्या रखा है, it's possible. So
yeah, it's very much possible.
Okay, so ये देखिए, ये है बहुत.
I have added ginger in this.
Okay. And so अभी हम सारे ingredients add करेंगे.
I will add onions. Onions I am adding. I am adding capsicum. And I am adding tomato.
Okay.
And now I want to chop the.
Now you're going to chop the coriander leaves.
I have washed these coriander leaves and kept. So I am washing. I am chopping now.
it. Okay. So देखिए, यहाँ पे आशा जी ने बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट मैसेज दिया है. कुकिंग आप आसानी से कर सकते हैं, तो प्लीज इस वीडियो को शेयर.
I would like to say, anybody who are there at home, anybody who are visually impaired who are there at home, you try not only cooking.
You try everything. You are working.
Everything. If you are not working, you try doing crafts. We can also do crafts. You have to learn, that's all.
That's all?
Yeah, we can learn anything.
Yes.
Any work we can do.
Yes.
So don't sit idle at home.
And Asha ji is a working professional. Let me tell you here कि she is a mom. She's a mom as well as she works 10 to 5. आराम से वो करती हैं. And then she is cooking for her family also. Amazing example है. So ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा share करिए. कुछ होंगे family.
Itself, I am cutting the chili.
You are doing the
green chili.
ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करिए. बहुत सारे लोग ये के फैमिली मेंबर्स हैं, वो खुद होंगे जिनको नहीं पता होगा कि ऐसा करा जा सकता है. उनको होप फैलाइए, उनको बताइए कि इट इज़ वेरी मच पॉसिबल टू डू कुकिंग फॉर विजुअली इम्पेयर्ड. आसानी से आप कर सकते हैं. यू कैन गो आउट एंड वर्क ऑल्सो. इट विल जस्ट टेक अ डिटर्मिनेशन. Right?
Yeah.
And awesome. Like, I am always amazed by Asha ji's grit and determination.
You have to have the confidence.
And but how do you build the confidence, Asha ji? That's my question. Like,
whenever we try to do anything, if we are sitting idle, we don't get confidence. We have to try. Somebody said, try, and you will succeed. No.
So for you, when you started cooking, was it difficult the first time?
Little bit difficult, but I did not give up. I did not give up. I learned it. Now I feel it is like drinking water. Cooking is like drinking water.
Amazing. Hats off to you,
So
Asha ji. I love coming to your kitchen. It is so inspiring. I can't tell you. It is just so inspiring to be near you.
Yeah. Now I have added coriander leaves, chili, onion, capsicum, potato, grated potato,
Okay.
and tomato.
Okay.
I'm going to mix this nicely. Very thorough mix.
And this has to be eaten as breakfast or lunch or snack?
Anything, breakfast or evening snacks.
Acha, okay.
You can be. You can prepare this for breakfast also.
Okay, very nice.
If you eat it with tomato ketchup, it's very tasty.
Very tasty. Nice. I'm already waiting to try out this yummy snack that you're making.
Yeah. Okay, now I am going to add. I don't know what to say this. We say it as om kaalo, like
Is it khaskhas or ajwain?
Ajwain.
Acha, okay.
Ajwain.
Okay.
I'll mix this like this.
So masale यहाँ पे.
This is chaat masala.
Okay.
I am adding this. I'll put it on my palm and I'll add because I should know the measurement.
Okay.
So, like.
And that's how you get to know the measurement by
yeah.
feeling and touching
by
it.
Yeah. So this is approximately a half spoon.
Okay.
I have added this. And I'm going to add jeera. Half spoon jeera.
ये रहा है cumin seeds हम यहाँ पे ऐड कर रहे हैं.
And I'm going to add half a spoon chili flakes.
Okay.
Chili flakes I'm adding. I'm going to add salt. How much ever you want. I'm adding salt.
So मसाले आप अपने हिसाब से इसमें एडजस्ट कर सकते हैं.
Now I am adding this suji also.
Okay. So इसमें हम कितनी क्वांटिटी सूजी डालेंगे?
No, suji actually we are going to add so much we will not know the correct measurement. While adding only we will know the measurement.
Okay.
I have added half cup now. I'll do.
So ये रेसिपी आपने कहाँ से सीखी है आशा जी?
ये रेसिपी I have learnt in YouTube actually. I've seen in YouTube and I have learnt.
तो देखिए यहाँ पे हम मिक्स कर रहे हैं अच्छे से इसको.
I'm going to add little more.
So ये कितनी सूजी हम इसको बाइंड करने के लिए डालते हैं ताकि ओके.
बाइंड करने के लिए सूजी you should not add more. If you add more it will become like it will not become properly. It will not come properly. So
we have kept it covered here 10 minutes के लिए. फिर हम आपको दिखाते हैं.
For this dough I'm going to add some
curry leaves.
Yes, correct.
So you can add any time.
I will, yeah.
And 10 minutes are also done, right, Asha ji?
Yeah.
So ये अच्छे से मिक्स हो गया है.
Now I'm going to grease the
तवा.
Going to switch on the keep like this. I'm going to grease
With ghee.
with ghee. Yeah.
So ghee को we have to spread also.
Yeah.
Okay.
We have to spread
Okay.
all over the tawa. So now we will start doing. I've kept it. We'll start doing. I'll take
So you have to take one full ball of
one
the.
full ball. I'm doing like this.
Okay.
You have to do round shape. That's all. You have to do this, but you have to do it very thick because we have added all the vegetables.
Okay.
That should not boil so much. If it boils, the taste will not be good. So
Okay. So tawa has to be hot or it has to be
little
normal?
bit hot.
Okay.
Tawa has to be little bit hot.
Mm-hmm.
So
And what flame? कौन सी flame पे हम करेंगे?
yeah, medium flame.
Okay.
Medium flame I have kept in medium flame. So now we have to leave it for 2 minutes.
Okay.
I have done this. The round shape will not come, so don't.
नहीं, please don't worry. You are doing it in itself is so inspiring. It's not about the shape, like I always
Now
say.
we have to cover. We have to cover the.
Cover it. Okay. And medium flame पे 2 minutes तक हम करेंगे.
Yeah.
वैसे आशा जी, I would just want to share it's not about the shape, it's your attitude which has been so amazing so far. Already I have learned so much and I'm sure people who are watching it, for them also it's very inspiring. So thank you so much for giving us a chance to be here, the entire Zaika Ka Tadka family.
I should thank you for coming here.
No.
And making me to cook.
No.
I'm pleasure to do
No,
all
it's
this.
my pleasure to be doing this, and look at that. I'm just in love with your attitude and the amazing grit and determination you have shown to learn cooking in spite of the challenges and barriers of your life. Amazing it is. तो देखिए अभी 2 मिनट हमने रख दिया है, फिर हम आपको दिखा 2 मिनट हो गए हैं.
I'll just remove it and I'll turn this. We have to turn it carefully because I have turned this. Now again we have to keep it for 2 minutes.
Okay. So 2 minutes के लिए रखते हैं.
हाँ.
So जब तक वो हो रहा है, आशा जी, I would want to actually ask you if there's any message you want to give, because I'm so amazed and it's our pleasure, like I said, to be here.
Yeah. Actually, I want to say that people will think that what the visually impaired people can do. They think like that. If they see us, they think like, not everybody. Like some people will think that we cannot do anything. But no, I'll say that we can do everything. Not like not 100%, like we can do 95%.
No, you are able to do, actually to be very honest, Asha ji, you are able to cook better than me, so you are even better. I'm at 50% and you are at 95%. That is amazing. It's so inspiring and it's our pleasure on Zaika Ka Tadka to be here.
Sometimes it would be difficult for us, but still we can do everything whatever the normal person can do.
Yes, absolutely.
If you take this case, in this case, in cooking also, like any other case also, you can, I'll say that we can do not if it is not for 100%, 95% we can do.
You can do, in fact, better than half of the people, trust me, on this planet who don't cook. And you are cooking in spite of being visually impaired, in spite of not being able to see. You're working, you're managing your household. It's really very inspiring.
And one more thing, I would like to thank you, Apeksha ma'am and Zaika.
No, please, no.
Because you people are coming to our home and you people are showing the people that we are also cooking and we are also doing normally everything like everybody, like
and it's
others,
so
like
inspiring.
normal. We are also doing that you are showing, so I would like to thank on behalf of everybody.
Honestly, I will tell you, it's my pleasure and I think I have the blessings. That's why I'm able to visit in such an inspiring kitchen and do this video. This is probably the best video, I would say, because I'm myself inspired.
Thank you so much.
And see, this is the grit and determination we should have. Challenges and barrier doesn't matter. We should learn from each and every person. And please, I now strongly believe and know that anyone can do anything in their life. It doesn't matter what are the challenges and barrier. And like you said, in fact, you are better than me. I can tell you, Asha ji, I'm not kidding. I'm telling you honestly.
Thank you so much for all the words which you have said. Now I'll turn it off again. I'll turn.
Mm-hmm. So how?
I'll do for one more time.
So how do you come to know that it has been cooked, Asha ji?
If you feel like this, see,
Huh?
that the roughness has come on this, and it is bind.
Acha, so you feel,
binded.
you touch and feel, is it?
Yeah, yeah.
You touch and feel,
Yeah.
and that's how you know. देखिए.
Yeah, it's binded. Now it is done. Yeah, I'll take out this.
देखिए ये वीडियो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों तक शेयर करिए, ये मैसेज स्प्रेड करिए. लाइक आशा जी सेड, दे कैन डू एनीथिंग. इवन इफ you are visually impaired, doesn't matter the barriers and the challenges. If you have the grit and determination, the attitude to do anything, you can do everything. And she's such a brilliant, inspiring example for all of us. तो शेयर करिए कहीं पर, जिसको भी इस वीडियो की जरूरत है वहां तक पहुंचाइए. और देखिए वी आर डन, बन चुका है हमारा. आई कांट वेट टू ट्राई दिस आशा जी. ऑनेस्टली आई विल बी. यस,
It is ready.
एंड आशा जी बोलती हैं कि टोमेटो केचप के संग बहुत अच्छा लगता है. तो आशा जी आई एम जस्ट गिविंग इट टू यू सो दैट यू कैन होल्ड. सो देखिए दिस इज द मोस्ट इंस्पायरिंग मॉम है. आपको देखिए कितने अच्छे तरीके से उन्होंने दिखाया है. ये शानदार स्नैक आलू सूजी की रोटी आप स्नैक्स ब्रेकफास्ट में खाइए, बहुत टेस्टी लगेगी. प्यार से बनाइए और इस एटीट्यूड से बनाइए तो घर में सबको पसंद आएगा. Thank you so much आशा जी. It was really a pleasure to be here with you. So inspiring. And please इस वीडियो को ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करिए. ये इंस्पायरिंग वीडियो शेयर करिए, जिसको जरूरत है वहां तक पहुंचाइए. जो दिखता है वही बनता है. जायका का तड़का में अब बनाइए, खाइए और इंस्पायर होइए आशा जी से. थैंक यू सो मच आशा जी.
Thank
you so much. It was a pleasure. Bye bye everyone.
It was my pleasure also. Thank you.
Same here.
Bye-bye.
Same here. Bye bye.